Hi guys, it's me Ray again, and today we'll be doing another video on how to integrate the store option on your blog. So first open up Recipe Blog and then of course sign into it. So as I said before, if you've signed in with Google on the app, do the same on the blog, and if you've done it with Facebook on the app, then do the same on the blog. So I'm signing in with Google. Right, so enter your email address. So once you've entered your email address, you can click on the next button and enter your password. So clicking on next and then enter your password. Okay. So once you've signed in, it'll redirect you back to the home page of Recipe Blog. Right, so you're now at the home page and you can see your profile icon on the side. Unfortunately, our net is a little bit slow. Alright, so once it completely loads, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the top right hand corner, the menu button on the top right hand corner, and then click on the store option. So once you click on the store option, you'll be redirected to the store homepage. And you can see that I haven't yet integrated the store. And so in order to integrate it, I am going to click on the I accept the terms and condition button. And then you will click yes. Okay, so once you've done that, immediately a request would go to our admin, and the admin will take a look at your blog. They will take a look at the recipes and the traffic that comes to your blog, and based on all of that information, they will accept your request to start a store on your blog. And so I'm just going to wait for them to accept my request. And this is a super easy option, and it's a way to monetize your blog, to make money out of writing recipes and sharing recipes with the world. So I think that they've accepted my request. So I'm going to click back on store in the menu column, and you can see once they've accepted the request, this page will open up where you can see your earnings, your recipes, your products, and your purchases. So go to earnings and enter your bank account details like your account number, your bank IFSC code, your account type, and the name of the account holder. So once you've done this, all the money that you receive from your blog can be directly transferred to your bank account. So make sure you do this. Then go back to your recipes. So you can see I have one recipe here, and click on link products. This is to link different products to your recipe, so that when people see it, they can click on the products and purchase it from your recipe. So scroll all the way down and click on link products and choose an appropriate product. So you can see the different types of products that we have, and under each product you will see the actual price, the discounted price, and the commission that you can earn from each product. So I'm going to select the silicone oil brush because the recipe is about cupcakes. So you can select a maximum of 3 products for each recipe. And once you've done that, you will click on Save button. Right, so now it's saving, and once you open your recipe again, you'll be able to see the product that is linked to the recipe. So as you can see, once this page refreshes, the related product comes on the right hand corner. So you can see silicone brush, 75 rupees. So anyone who's reading my recipe can purchase the silicone brush, and once they click on it, they'll be redirected to the store page where they can add it to cart or buy now. So you can see this is the store page, Recipe Blog's store page, and you can buy it now. And once somebody has purchased this brush from my blog, And if I go back to store, I can see how much money I have earned, and I can see the purchases, the order ID, the product, and how many quantity or how many pieces they've purchased. So you can see this is the products that have been linked to my site, the silicone brush. And under dashboard, you can see the total purchases, total earnings, and the amount that has been transferred. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye.